Welcome back to Salimat's Holistic Health, where we explore natural ways to achieve a healthy mind and body. Today's topic is something we all can benefit from: daily meditation for stress relief. If you're new to meditation or looking for easy ways to relax and unwind, stay tuned, as I'll guide you through simple techniques perfect for beginners. What is meditation? How it reduces stress? Meditation is an ancient practice that helps calm the mind, improve focus, and release stress. When we meditate, our breathing slows, our minds quiet, and we become more present. Studies show that regular meditation can reduce stress, anxiety, and even improve sleep. Whether you have 5 minutes or 30, incorporating meditation into your daily routine can make a world of difference. Infographics showing the health benefits of meditation, such as lowering cortisol, the stress hormone, and enhancing mindfulness. Simple breathing meditation guided technique. Let's start with a simple breathing meditation. Find a comfortable seat either on a chair or the floor. Close your eyes and let your hands rest gently on your knees. Breathe in deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and slowly exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. As you breathe, focus only on the sensation of the breath coming in and out. Whenever your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Let go of any stress with every exhale. Body scan meditation, progressive relaxation. Next, let's try a body scan meditation. This technique helps release tension stored in the body and is perfect for stress relief. Start by taking a deep breath. Slowly shift your attention to your feet, noticing any tension or sensations. Now, relax your feet completely. Move up to your legs, thighs, hips, and so on, relaxing each part of your body as you bring your attention to it. By the time you reach your head, your whole body will feel light and stress-free. Mindfulness meditation for daily life. Finally, mindfulness meditation is one of the simplest yet most powerful forms of meditation. You don't need a special setting. Mindfulness can be practiced anywhere. Focus fully on the present moment without judgment. This can be done while walking, eating, or simply sitting. The key is to remain aware of your thoughts and surroundings, but not get carried away by them. Whenever you notice stress creeping in during your day, just pause and take a few mindful breaths. It's a small habit with big benefits. These simple meditation techniques can help reduce stress, increase mindfulness, and improve overall well-being. Start with just 5 minutes a day and see how meditation can transform your life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Salimat's Holistic Health for more tips on natural health and wellness. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite meditation technique or any questions you have.